Hey, what's up? It's Emma. Welcome back to my channel. I make lifestyle videos for the everyday babe, so if you wanted to subscribe, ring the bell, follow me on Instagram, that would be spooktacular. Today, we are getting in the Halloween spirit. We are trying on some Halloween costumes from Dolls Kill. Pretty excited. I have the bag right here. It's so freaking heavy. I got a few different costumes. Some of them are a little interesting. Okay. Let's do this. So the first outfit we're gonna try on is the Dolls Kill like whatever costume set. I have this right here. It's supposed to be like Cher from Clueless. And it's kind of funny because a few years ago, I haven't done Halloween content in a very, very long time. But a few years ago, I did a iconic female characters Halloween costumes video and Cher was on there. So I thought it was perfect and kind of like a tribute to my past video, which I'll link in the description box. But anyway, this is the like whatever Halloween costume. They didn't have my size. I would have gotten a medium, but I got a large. So we'll see how this one fits. This was $58. I also purchased a pair of knee-high socks to wear with the outfit. These were $5. Okay, time to try them on. Okay, here's the outfit. Okay. A few things. I feel like the top, these are actually like kind of true to size. Like I feel like this fits well, but this skirt is so big. And then you can see the underwear that they gave. But it's like there's a huge disparity in sizing if the skirt is like falling off, but the large top fits fine. Like I feel like what if I got the medium, then the top would have been too small and then the skirt would have fit. That's what I'm thinking about right now, because I just feel like if it's this big where it's like falling, but this fits fine, I worry for those who are also in between sizes like myself because it's just inconsistent. But overall though, this is a cute fit, like if it actually fit. I put on these knee-high socks and then this skirt has some cute details with this safety pin right here. This underwear is like very questionable. I'm like, what's happening? And maybe this is on purpose, that the underwear is supposed to like be above the skirt for like, I don't know, sexy purposes. But I do think that this cardigan fits really nicely. It's actually like a tank top sweater cardigan, which is really interesting. Definitely made of like cheaper material. It's not like a structured blazer, which for $45 or whatever, like I don't expect it to be one. I'm just saying, don't expect blazer material. It's definitely like a little scratchy. So I think if this fit a little better, it would have been cuter, but it's just overall a little big. Apparently we're sticking with the yellow theme. I got the Black Mamba Assassin costume, and I got this one because big Quentin Tarantino fan. I love Kill Bill. This looked like the Kill Bill costume that the bride wears, and I've always wanted to try this jumpsuit. I've never worn a jumpsuit before. I've worn like rompers and whatnot, but like Halloween costumes, I feel like jumpsuits are so sexy and fun, and especially if you live somewhere cold, it's very convenient. And I always like wanted to be either the bride wearing this or Catwoman, but I went with this one because I found it. So here we go. This one was $45. I was pretty surprised. I thought that this would be a lot more. Let's see how it fits. Oh my god, I have never wanted to take something off more in my life than I want to take off this scratchy, sticky, smelly, thick, uncomfortable jumpsuit. I don't care. I don't like it. I don't want it. I've worn this for like 3 seconds and I am so utterly uncomfortable. It's tight in all the wrong places. Like it's so indescribably tight where my elbow and forearm is. I cannot even believe it. And around my thighs, oh my god, it's so uncomfortable. I already feel like I'm sweating and I'm a million degrees. Everything about this is awful, including the fact that like I don't even have big boobs and there's no way that I could wear this without a bra because where it cuts is where like my nipples are. Like I don't want those out. So here's the jumpsuit in full. It's awful. I got a size medium. So where they have the waist kind of cut off, it like cuts my butt here. My butt ends like up here. And if it came up a little bit more, I think it would have made my waist look a little more like snatched, if you will. And then also because I have a big butt, it kind of brings the fabric down in the back. So then the torso is really stretched. And then this crotched area is very like pulled. Oh my God, this is atrocious. Like I literally want to take this off right now. Right behind my knees, it's really uncomfortable and really tight. Everything about this is just not flattering. So I don't understand the sizing. Like it's just so big and small in the wrong places. But I'd like to take this off now and never put it back on again. Thank you. And last but not least, I saw this on the site and I was like, risky, but I know that a lot of people choose to dress like this for Halloween, and especially after Euphoria, I know a lot of people are gonna dress like this for Halloween, and I saw this on the site and I was like, we have to explore this option. I got what they call a Happy Tree Painter costume, but it's sexy Bob Ross, and it comes with these jean shorts, so this will be so interesting. I'm actually horrified about this costume. I really don't want to come out, but I cannot. I'm really overwhelmed. I have so many thoughts about this and I am deeply disturbed. Everything about this is wrong. I really want to take this off. Take this off. Okay, let's talk about this. Oh my God! Nick, you can't.
I heard you filming.
I was so scared that this was gonna be the outfit you walk in on, and it is.
Do you want my verdict? I like the shorts.
I knew that if you liked anything, you would like the non-existent shorts. I am already gonna be demonetized for this video.
I'll kiss you anyway. Have a good video.
I hate this. Okay, and we're done, and I have never been happier to be back in my normal clothes. I will never take a basic white t-shirt and jeans for granted again. I've got all the clothes there that I need to put away. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you made it this far, comment down below what you're being for Halloween. I thought I was gonna figure it out after this video. All right guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.